Replacing the ball joint boot. The ball joint is still in good condition. The boot has already worn out, it's torn, worn out. And needs to be replaced. Replacing it isn't difficult if you have the right tools. You just need to clean it up and remove this cotter pin. It comes off pretty easily. Your task is to pry this part up from below. So it pops up, just lift up on this side. That you've pried it up. You can pull it out with pliers. Now you can pull it out of its seat with pliers. That's an interesting cotter pin. Next, clean the nut, treat it with WD-40. To remove the ball joint nut, take a 19 mm open-end wrench, grab a bigger lever. To increase the force, and try to break it loose. It should give way, and it'll be easier from here. We unscrew it completely too. Fill it with grease, making it easier too. Remove the ball joint from its seat. Remove the nut. Pour fluid inside. And let it sit for a while to allow the fluid to work. To replace the boot, it's easiest to remove the ball joint from the control arm. For subsequent replacement, removing it from the hub is also easier. So we unscrew the 3 bolts, remove it from the control arm. Then use a puller to remove the ball joint itself. Loosen the 3 nuts, 2 nuts, and 1 bolt. Then tap the seat. Install the puller. Until it stops. And tighten the nut. The ball joint is removed from its seat. It's cone-shaped here. So it's pressed in very tightly. Removing them is more difficult. As you can see, the condition of the boot is in need of replacement. The ball joint is still in good condition. So next, we remove the old boot, clean out the old grease, and apply the new one in reverse order. Is also used for pressing it in. Mandrel. We clean the seat and remove the old one along the contour. Pried the boot off in one place with a knife. Now, using a flathead screwdriver, I carefully pull the old boot off around the perimeter. Since it's completely dislodged from its seat, This is the condition of the boot and, accordingly, the grease. All of this will be cleaned out and put away for replacement. After removing the grease, we clean the seat. As you can see, there was a poor connection here, it was rusty. Now I'll clean everything with a brush. Remove the remaining old grease and apply the new one. Once again, I repeat, ball joint. It's alive, it's not loose, it's in good condition. The boot is on the rim, so it's cheaper than buying a new ball joint, so I recommend this option. Next, we clean it. After cleaning the seat and cleaning off the old grease, we install the new one and completely fill it with new grease. A simple way to press new boots onto ball joints or tie rod ends is to select the required diameter from a PVC pipe. If this doesn't fit, for example, I made this option from a 35mm PVC pipe. I simply cut it and matched it to the diameter of the rim, which is here. That is, we get a kind of casing extension for installing the boots. Now we install the boot in its place. Then we take the extension, it should have a flat part that fits the flange. Put it on top and then press it in a circle with a hammer. After casing, everything is in its place. Neatly, nothing is cut or broken. All the rubber is intact. If anyone finds this useful, please use it. Subscribe. Then install the ball joint in its proper place. Like it. Tighten the nut and put it back on the control arm, also in its place, and that's it. The replacement is complete.